Jesus is all. Jesus, lift me up when I fall. Amen. Amen.
So we pray.
Jesus. So, you're pretty religious.
That's right.
So is it a problem that I'm not really religious?
Not for me.
Why not?
I'm not the one going to hell. Wayne, they forgot to deliver your paper today. Why don't you just grab that one?
That belongs to Mr. Potato Guy. That's his.
Come on, I'll get it.
Well, if you want it, you get it.
Sorry, thou shalt not steal.
Oh, but it's okay for me.
Oh, what do you care? You know where you're going.
All right, that is it. I can't live like this.
No.
Come on.
All right, what did I do?
David, I'm going to hell. The worst place in the world. With devils and those caves and the ragged clothing. And the heat. My God, the heat. What do you think about all that?
It's gonna be rough.
You should be trying to save me.
Don't boss me. This is why you're going to hell.
I am not going to hell. And if you think I'm going to hell, you should care that I'm going to hell, even though I am not.
You stole my Jesus fish, didn't you?
Yeah, that's right.
Home and up at the house for the carpet cleaners. You know they're doing my whole place for $25?
Oh, no. Not the Sunshine Carpet Cleaners.
Yeah, you heard of them?
They're a crazy religious cult. The carpet cleaning is just a means for them to get into your apartment.
So for a $25 cleaning, I can listen to some pointless blather.
I do it. I'm not even getting the cleaning.
Nothing. It's a card from my dad.
What is it? Dear son, happy Festivus? What is Festivus?
It's nothing. It's nothing.
When George was growing
Jerry,
up,
no!
his father hated all the commercial and religious aspects of Christmas,
Yeah.
so he made up his own holiday.
Oh, and another piece of the puzzle falls into place.
All right.
And instead of a tree, didn't your father put up an aluminum pole?
Jerry,
No.
stop it.
And then weren't there feats of strength that always ended up with you crying?
Can't take it anymore. I'm going to work. You happy now?